Dr. Kalonzo Musyoka, even to offer greetings. Much has been said. You are not being asked for much, just greetings.
Asante. You've done it so well. I didn't want to add anything because our brother Raila put it so well, so eloquently. I think this has been actually a learning experience for a lot of us. And I want to thank our Economic Council team. Now, Kenyans know the difference between zero rating and exemption. And that is where the big lie is. And I think that has been unpacked, thanks to Honorable Badi and the colleagues. Last Sunday I was in a church somewhere in the river, in Mulolongo. And I spoke about the skepticism at my level with people wanting to rush to court. Everybody is within their rights to rush to court, but we have also heard from our sister Caroline Karugu on the provisions of Article 48. My brother, who is also a very good friend, Wajakoya, will probably agree, and Martha, denying people access to justice as unconstitutional. So some people rushed and said Kalonzo is supporting the finance bill. My media team did a very good job of that disinformation. So you can see the level of panic. People are panicked because they're doing the wrong things. So, as I said, we